So we have talked about access to reinsurance. We have talked about ability to comply with enterprise risk management, ERM requirement. We have talked about the expertise and resources needed to meet solvency and other requirements. We have talked about mutuals having slightly different forms. So let's see how, in order to promote an inclusive market, we can respond to each of these challenges. So let's first talk about access to reinsurance. In order to facilitate access to reinsurance, the first thing we could do is to formalize informal entities. Once the entities are formalized, they are licensed and regulated and meet some basic minimum requirement, it probably will be easier for them to access reinsurance from the right sources. The other option is to allow conventional direct insurance companies to reinsure micro insurance risks. Ordinarily, in the conventional insurance market, a direct insurance company is not allowed to reinsure another insurance company because of the risks that could occur. In this case, it should be possible, or we could look into the possibility of allowing direct insurance companies to reinsure micro insurance risks, because there really will be the capacity and the expertise to do that. And so that is a possibility that we need to. Again, we can look at allowing the same reinsurer to reinsure both the life and the non-life sides of a composite insurance, composite micro insurance risk. As we saw earlier on, in a number of jurisdictions, composite insurance entities are prohibited, and therefore insurance entities are either life or non-life. So reinsurance covers are categorized either life or non-life in such market. So that could be a barrier for accessing reinsurance for inclusive insurance entities that are allowed to do composite insurance. So in that case, the supervisor may look into allowing a reinsurer to take on or reinsure both the life and non-life risks of a micro insurance provider. And the other solution possibility is to allow foreign insurers or reinsurers to reinsure new and complex risks, such as crop insurance, weather index insurance, which tend to be quite complex and catastrophic in nature. You may want to allow foreign insurers or reinsurers which have the expertise to cover these risks, even where there are local rules which prohibit foreign reinsurers from these kinds of, or that segment of the market.